So Telegram Stars, this is a new feature to enable payments for digital goods and services across Telegram ecosystem. We are launching Telegram Stars. Stars can be acquired through in-app purchases via Apple, Google, or Premium Bot, then spent on digital products offered by bots, from ebooks and online courses to items in Telegram games. And then basically the idea, so for example, you can just go in here and then you can tap to order food, and then you can just tap and buy, for example, confirm and pay 1 star, and then you need to buy stars, and that's how you basically then you just need to purchase them with your like Apple ID, and that's just how you make your purchases. So that's how you buy Telegram stars, and then you can use them, and then you can pay creators, and then you can use them in games. So yep, that's just the idea, how it works.